Okay, let's talk about these cred ads and why they are going viral.
Come, man, come, you come, man. What
TP has come. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 1.
Do you know that Cred is the youngest startup to be valued at $2 billion and that too with zero ads? Yes, वो story कुछ देर के बाद. But before that, let's try to find the secret why Cred ads go viral. This was the first print ad of Cred in 2019. Full page ad with the copy almost unreadable. And when someone pointed out this on Twitter, this is how Kunal Shah, founder of Cred, responded with. So, what did they learn from their mistakes in advertising? Let's find out. Before creating content, it is very important for the brand to know कि वो किसके लिए ad बना रहे हैं, to know about their target audience. Once you know your target audience, you will know their emotion too. Then it is easy for you to make a connection with your audience. And that is what matters in advertising. Connection. What is Cred? Cred is a credit card bill payment platform. और क्रेडिट कार्ड किसके पास है? The one who are in their 30s, 40s, यही वो लोग हैं जो पैसा कमा रहे हैं और पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं. और ये कौन लोग हैं? जो 90s में बॉर्न हुए हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द इमोशन? मीन्स इनके हीरो कौन है? दो ही इंडस्ट्री से, बॉलीवुड और क्रिकेट. एंड दैट इज व्हाट क्रेड डिड. क्रेड bring these heroes back to the screen. In the first series of Cred ads, you will see Udit Narayan doing this.
Check your credit card. Milenge cashback.
Anil Kapoor doing this.
Credit card bill is here, need OTP to clear. Download Cred and you'll be what a pair.
Madhuri Dixit doing this.
My OTP has come. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 1.
And they got some attention. But in the second series, they did this. They bring the cricketer, the favorite cricketer of the 90s, Rahul Dravid, back to the screen. The gentleman of the game. And they turned him into a...
Indranagar ka gunda hu main. That doesn't mean you can overtake. Come, man, come, you come, man. Hey.
Could have gone straight and taken it.
Indranagar ka gunda hu main.
Yes! मतलब राहुल द्रविड को I can't imagine in this avatar. Like I have never seen him angry, and this is what they did. So they get the attention. People were talking about Cred on every platform. They were sharing this video. Even Virat Kohli shared the video on his Twitter. So this is how you get the viral, right? Even in the early days, Cred used to send cake to the people who sign up for the Cred services. But not at home. They send cake at office. अब ऑफिस में केक भेजने का क्या होता था कि when let's say there are 20-30 people in the office, right? अब केक ऐसी चीज़ है जो the person has to consume there only at the office. If they send something at like cake at the office, उसको वहीं पे उसको शेयर करना पड़ेगा लोगों के साथ. और फिर लोग पूछते थे ये केक कहाँ से आया है. तो then he had to tell that there is a one company which is like starting up new. तो उन्होंने भेजा है. That way they get the attention of the people and they get noticed. And according to Kunal Shah, they usually every time they send cake to the right audience, they usually get 7 to 8 new signups. So viral strategies use करना is like always were their key strategy कि how to get the attention of the people. Hook strategy के कुछ डिफरेंट करना, कुछ उल्टा करना है. इट्स लाइक राहुल द्रविड को बोल रहे हैं, राहुल द्रविड केम ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड से ओके बाय द क्रेड. नो, दे टर्न हिम ऑपोजिट व्हाट ही इज. जब हम बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं कि राहुल द्रविड को दे टर्न देम कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. एंड सडनली अभी रिसेंटली देन अगेन दे ब्रिंग दिस वेंकटेश प्रसाद, श्रीनाथ, ओके दीज बॉलर्स इनटू द like Backstreet Boys versions. So that ad also get too much attention. So they are playing with the like ads, right? They are playing with the strategies. So this is what advertising is all about. I really like this ad. Wait, I forgot to tell you the distribution part. Cred की distribution strategy क्या होती है कि they always release their ads during IPL. Yes, they get the maximum eyeballs during this season, this IPL thing. So in the first series also they launched their ads during IPL, and this year also they launched this Rahul Dravid ad and Kumar Sanu ad during IPL only. So distribution and production, these are the two parts which is very important in advertising, and Cred does this very well. They know what kind of content to create and they know how to distribute it so well that they get the maximum attention of the people. So that's it for now. This was the ad I want to review. I want to tell about that why these Cred ads are going viral, everything. तो इसके बारे में बात करनी थी. I think I have shared enough my information what I think could be good or value for you. If you find any value in this video, then do like this video और share करो इनको अपने friends के साथ. और हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो बिकॉज ये बिल्कुल नया चैनल है. इसको मैं कुछ अपने दूसरे चैनल पे भी शेयर करूँगा, बट दिस चैनल ऑनेस्ट डिजिटल मार्केटर पे दिस इज़ टोटली न्यू चैनल. This is a new channel. I will keep on reviewing ads on this channel and some other content. So do subscribe this channel on YouTube और Facebook पे भी इसको like कर लो. आपको valuable content देने की कोशिश मैं करता रहूँगा. So bye for now and keep creating content and keep distributing. Bye.